sa Jollibee. Picture lang, si Lola, ikaw talaga. Dali lang, picture. Ano ba to? RR!
Dito!
Picture na! Picture! Picture! Tingin!
Marian, labas!
Walang sabawan! Yan! Walang sabawan! RR! Dito ka RR, oh!
My sister!
RR! Huwag ka magtago dito ka sa... Yan!
Saan kami din?
Uy, ikaw! AJ, dito balik ka! Dito sa... Diyan lang!
Wag na, mahulog ka.
Next, we have the Jensen Warriors.
Rapito gang! R!
Next, we have from Bangamo City. And please remain standing for our... And of course, from Bangamo City. Ayun. Of course, the Plunge and Swim Team. And South Cotabato Valley Swim Team. And of course, from down the First United Doubles. This event is being brought to us by Growing. Ang slogan po ng Growing, nakikita mo sa... Interesting officials to please proceed now to your respective areas.
Go, Josh!
Prepare everything as we start in a few minutes. The first event. Ladies and gentlemen, this event is being brought to us by Growing.
Ay, swimmers, meron na pala ha? Kompleto na? Street, sunod na? Wala pa. Street, mid, yung mga events nila.
Ay, hindi na daw po, sabi ni Coach.
Ay.
Basta pag ano ha?
Anak, huwag ka matingin sa side mo, ha?
Palagi ha?
Requesting all swimmers for event 1 to 5. Proceed now to the... Once again, this is now event 1 for boys 15 and over 50 meter freestyle. Lane 3, we have John Joseph Mahinay of Aquachera. Lane 4.
Your mark! Wow!
Noche from South Cotabato Swim Club. Lane number 2, Lorenzo Miguel Bonafe of First United Davao City Swim Team. Lane 3, we have Lucel Carbajosa Jr. from Aquachera. Lane 4, we have Kurt Garcia of Evangelista Aquatics. And this event also is being brought to us.